First things first, let's get Deepseek R1 onto your phone. Head over to your device's App Store. That's either the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for Deepseek R1 and tap on the official app once found. Simply tap Install and let your device do the rest. It's a straightforward process, much like installing any other application you love. With Deepseek R1 installed, it's time to dive and open the app. By tapping its icon, you'll be greeted by an intuitive interface designed for your phone. The core of your interaction will be the input field, usually a prominent bar at the bottom or center of your screen. This is where you'll type or paste your prompts, your questions, commands, or creative ideas for the AI. Now let's get creative. For the best results when using Deepseek R1 on your phone, think about being concise and clear with your prompts instead of vague requests. Try to be specific. For instance, instead of write about dogs, write a short, cheerful poem about a golden retriever chasing a ball. You can also experiment with different input methods. Typing directly is great, but many phones support voice to text, which can be a swift way to input longer queries. Deepseek R1 excels in numerous mobile scenarios. Need to draft a quick email on the go? R1 can help structure your message stuck on a creative project. Use it for brainstorming blog post ideas or generating catchy slogans. Even quick translations or summarizing lengthy articles for easy reading can be handled efficiently. Think of it as your intelligent assistant, always ready in your pocket. Using Deepseek R1 on your phone means incredible AI power is now more accessible and convenient than ever. Explore its capabilities, experiment with your prompts, and discover how this advanced model can enhance your daily productivity and creativity right from your mobile device.